Hello everybody, what we're doing here is collecting like terms. Now collecting like terms is mathematically what we do when we have a series of terms all put together in a row and they're added or subtracted. Now you can only collect like terms if they're added or subtracted. And like terms are the same thing exactly. Now the order is not important of the letters. We're going to get to that in a later presentation. Now, if you need to, you can add or subtract numbers and the same letters. All right, let's have an example. So, what happens if we have 2a plus 3a? Well, how many a's do we have in total? Well, that will be 5 a's. Now, that's collecting like terms because we're collecting the a's from here and the a's from here and putting them all in the one spot. What happens if we have 4a plus 3a? Well, are the a and the b like terms? No, they're not. So we can't add or subtract them. So the answer is 4a plus 3b. They cannot be added together because they are not like terms. And mathematically, that is as simple as the expression gets. It can't be made any simpler. Well, what about this bottom one here? Well, we have 7 a's here and another 3 a's here, which all together make 10 a's. And we have 5 b's here and another b here. So that is 5 b's plus another b, which is 6 b's. So that is as simple as we can make it. We can't add together the a's and the b's here and here because they're not like terms, they are not the same. It's like trying to add raspberries and televisions together. You can't add things together mathematically that are not the same as one another. A's and B's cannot be added together because they are not like terms. Alrighty, I hope that helps. I'll see you in class.